Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust sleep mode settings on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, we would need to open settings on our phone and then go to modes and routines. Click on it and then click on sleep. Here it is. First thing that we can see right here is turn on button. If we will click on it, the sleep mode is on and we can the same way turn it off. Second thing that you can see is turn on manually. If we will click on it, you can see three options when the sleep mode will go off. First one is until I turn it off, second one is ask every time, and third one is every 8 hours, or you can change this time by adjusting this timer right here. Let's move on to the next setting. If we will go back, next thing that we can see right here is turn on automatically. If we will click on it, you can see that we can set up a sleep schedule. For example, every day at 11 p.m. this mode will go on, and the next day at 8 a.m. it will turn off. For that, we would need to click on this sleep schedule and set it up. In which days you want this schedule work, for example only weekdays or only weekends, you can set up an wake up alarm or disable it at all, and choose the sleep schedule from when and until when this mode will work. After you are done, simply click on this save button to save the changes, and now you have your own sleep schedule. And also, we are able to use conditions here, which says the mode will be turned on automatically when at least one of the conditions below are met, and turned off automatically when none of the conditions are met. So, for example, if you don't want to use sleep schedule, but you want to turn on the sleep mode every time that you have flight mode on, it will work just like this. And to add a new condition, click on this button, add condition, and choose which one you want. And that's it. Let's move to the next one. So next setting that we can see right here is choose what this mode does. If we will click on this first button, you can see that every time when we turn on the sleep mode, the do not disturb mode will turn on also. And we have suggested actions right here, like restrict app usage. If we will click on it, we can see this description which says while you are in this mode, you can only use the apps below, and you can choose up to 6 applications which you want to use while in sleep mode. After you are done, click done. And if you want to remove the restrict app usage, simply click on this minus right here, and that's it. Click done, and we are moving to the next setting, which is named other actions. If we will click on it, you can see suggested actions as dark mode, eye comfort shield, sound mode and volume, power saving, and other modes. For example, when you are going to sleep, it will be kind of useful to enable the power saving mode on, so your phone will live a little longer after you wake up. And we click done. And the last thing that we can do right here is change appearance. For example, if we will take a look on our wallpaper right now, it's just a basic wallpaper that we have installed before. But you can also set a wallpaper for the sleep mode only. Let's test it. I will set a new wallpaper for home screen from the suggested from Samsung. For example, this one is cute. Done and OK. Now we will need to turn on the sleep mode, and if we will take a look on our wallpaper, it have changed. And this is kind of cool feature on my opinion. And that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.